One day, a man asked to God, "What is the value of my life?" Then God gave him a stone and said, "Go and know the value of this stone, but don't sell it." The person took the stone to a fruit merchant and asked, "How much is it worth?" The fruit trader said, "He gave $5 stone to this stone." But God told not sell it. So the man departed from the fruit trader. Then he took the stone to a vegetable merchant, asked, "How much will it cost?" The vegetable trader, "I would give a 10 and some vegetables to this stone," and asked if I would sell it. Man replied, "No," and walked away from that vegetable merchant. Then the man took the stone to a gold jewelry merchant and said, "How much will it cost?" The gold jeweler wondered, seeing this stone, and asked, "Give it me. I will give 50 lakhs." When the man said that he wouldn't sell the stone, the gold jeweler asked, "Okay, 5 crores." But God told him that he wouldn't sell the stone. Then the guy took a stone to a diamond merchant and said, "How much will it cost?" The merchant explained the stone and said, "From where you got such a precious stone? If I sell my property, I couldn't buy this wealth from you. It's worth the value of the whole world." When I hear those words, I don't know what to say to this person. Immediately came to God. Then God asked, "How much is your life worth?" When you show this stone to the merchant, the vegetable trader, the gold jeweler trader, they decided. But the true diamond trader couldn't even tell the original value of this stone. You are like this stone that is priceless. Your life is also priceless, but people are burdened for your life by their level, and they will cost you for your level. It's their level. But I know your worth, your value. You are a priceless prince of mine. Human life is a great boon. So, love your life and try to associate with the people who can evaluate your value. Please subscribe my channel, Life with Saj, because I speak what you feel.